Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series, and we are on lesson number 94, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, so in this lesson, I am going to show you another type of function called Lambda, Lambda, Lambda. Okay, now basically, guys, a lambda function is a small anonymous function. It's a, people call it as an anonymous function. I don't know why, but that's how it is. A lambda function can take any number of arguments. In the previous lesson, I showed you how to create an argument within a function and call that particular arguments, right? Now in lambda function, there can be any number of arguments, but can have only one expression. Okay, the syntax for this particular function lambda is nothing but lambda, Lambda, lambda. Okay, let me show you an example and then you will understand how it works. All right, I am on my Jetson Nano terminal and let's go to our previous file, nano fun.py, that is a function. All right, let me delete this code. All right, now x equals to, just a random example, guys, x equal to, let's call that particular function called lambda. What is the keyword? It's lambda, Lambda, lambda. Can you see the color changes? Lambda a, you can just randomly name. A is to a, say plus 10. Okay, and then let's say print. This is where you are going to use that lambda function and then assign your own arguments. Okay, x and then let's say 5. Okay, I'm going to close the bracket. You got to double close because already you are defining something inside, right? Now let's say control O, enter, control X. Now Python 3 fun.py 15. So can you see that, guys? You are calling for that lambda function and you are able to multiply the declared value. It's as simple as that, guys. Sorry, not multiply, you are adding it. So you can use any kind of operator here, by the way, any kind of mathematical operator. So this is how the lambda function works, guys. It's a very simple example. All you need to do is just use the keyword and where you got to do that. How you are going to apply these functions, I will teach you one by one in the future lessons, and I'm going to also get into the advanced Python programming very soon. Once this series gets over, once you guys get a hang of all the basic stuffs, we are then going to get into more advanced commands on the terminal with advanced Python. Okay, I'm going to show you different types of libraries and stuff like that. It's going to be pretty interesting. Of course, you need to be really strong in the basics now. Okay, all right, guys, see you then, and I'm going to catch you soon, very late. Bye bye.